Hello, I'm Michael Scharf, Director of the Frederick K. Cox International Law Center at Case Western Reserve University School of Law. In the next few minutes, you'll get to hear from some of our faculty and students who will tell you about the exceptional international law program at Case Western Reserve.
Last year, a national survey of law professors ranked Case's international law program as one of the top in the country, tied with Stanford and Cornell. Our program attracts students from around the world who graduate with international law jobs across the globe.
Hello, my name is Margot Day and I'm from Michigan. I chose to attend Case Western Reserve School of Law to pursue great international internships.
Hi, my name is Nikki Desarathi and I'm originally from New Jersey. I came to Case because I heard if you want to work abroad, Case will make it happen.
Hi, I'm Michael Pearson and I came to Case Western Reserve University School of Law because I was excited about the National Security Law program here.
Case's international law program has a $4 million endowment, one of the largest in the nation. With this money, we provide students summer, semester-long, and post-grad internship grants to help them break into a job in international law.
I'm a first-year law student from Atlanta, Georgia, and this summer I'll be interning at the United Nations Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda.
I'm a second-year law student from New York and also president of the International Law Society. This past summer, I worked at the International Bar Association in London, and this summer, I plan to go to The Hague and work for the presiding judges over the Charles Taylor trial.
I'm a third-year law student at Case, and I did my undergrad at the University of Notre Dame. After my first year at Case, I interned for a law firm in Shanghai, China, and after my second year, I interned for the president of the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda, where Case School of Law grad Andres Perez serves as a legal officer.
After my first year in law school, I was an intern at the International Trade Center in Geneva, Switzerland. And after my second year, I was a summer associate at a large law firm in New York City, where they offered me a full-time job after I graduate.
Our international law program includes the Cox Center, the Institute for Global Security Law and Policy, the War Crimes Research Office, the Cyberspace Law and Policy Office, the Canada-US Law Institute, and the Summer Institute for Global Justice. They bring over 100 distinguished speakers to the school throughout the year.
This semester, I got to go to dinner with Jeffrey Robertson, an international human rights lawyer.
Just last week, I got to go out to dinner with Robert Petit, the chief international prosecutor at the United Nations War Crimes Tribunal in Cambodia.
The Case Journal of International Law just celebrated its 40th anniversary this year, making it one of the oldest and most prestigious international law journals in the world.
Our International Law Journal publishes articles written by speakers from around the world who come to Case. As an editor on this journal, I've had the chance to edit these articles written by international law experts.
Our Jessup International Law Moot Court team has won the U.S. regional competition 4 out of the past 5 years, and in 2008 captured the World Championship. It was just the second time in 17 years that an American team won the prestigious competition, which features 500 law schools from 120 countries.
Rotania cannot hide behind the principle of mala captis benedictentis in order to justify an unfair trial. One of the most amazing moments was winning the World Championship round at the Jessup Moot Court competition and the award for Best Speaker.
Margot Day.
It was a chance to meet international law students from around the world that share a passion for international law.
Our international law curriculum is one of the most extensive of any law school. We offer international law as a first-year elective. We have 54 upper-level international and comparative courses, including several hands-on labs, practicums and clinics. Our students can choose to graduate with an international law concentration. We also offer a summer program in the Netherlands and our unique Case Abroad at Home program taught by visiting foreign professors.
My name is Richard Gordon. I came to Case after working for the International Monetary Fund as senior counsel for about 11 years. At Case, I teach a course on financial sector integrity, where we do projects assigned to us by the IMF.
Hi, I'm John Gretzinger. I teach international corporate transactions and international trade law. Before I became a full-time professor at Case Western Reserve Law School, I served with a number of multinational corporations, including Lockheed Martin, where I was Chief International Counsel. I was also Senior Vice President and General Counsel of American Greetings.
I'm Robert Strassfeld, Director of the Institute for Global Security Law and Policy. In an age of terrorism, the work of the Institute is more important than ever.
In the War Crimes Research Lab, we work on issues assigned to us by 5 different international war crimes tribunals. In 2005, the Special Court for Sierra Leone nominated our program for the Nobel Peace Prize.
One of the best experiences I had with CASE was with the Externship Tribunal program. Last semester, I had the opportunity to extern with the co-prosecutor at the Cambodian Genocide Tribunal.
In the National Security Lab, we worked on real legal issues for the Department of Defense.
CASE is one of the only law schools that offer international law as a first-year class. It offers me a great introduction and overview of the subject.
Thanks to our endowment, we have built up one of the most exciting international law programs in the country. Nearly half of our faculty teach international law courses, and nearly half of our students pick CASE because of their interest in international law. Over 500 of our alumni practice in the field of international law, from major law firms to human rights organizations, from government agencies to international tribunals.
My education at CASE earned me a position as a military lawyer in the United States Air Force JAG Corps.
When I finish up at CASE, I'll be heading off to a law firm in New York City.
This fall, I'll be clerking for a federal judge, and then it's off to a position at Jones Day.
We hope you will come to CASE so we can help you launch your career in international law.